Right, it's the weekend and I have to say I have not had the most productive week in this lockdown. What week was it? Week 3 of lockdown? Was it your week? 3 of lockdown, I think, and it wasn't the most productive. So I've had a good stretch and I am going to go get ready for the day and make something really delicious because it is still raining and it's miserable out there, so I need to cheer myself up and make something nice but also healthy. Okay, I'm ready for the day, and after a good stretch out, I am starving and I want to make something healthy, delicious, yet ready quickly. So I have shared a frittata recipe, but this one is taking it to the next level. I have added more chickpeas to it, more spices to it, and it is going to taste fantastic. I'm going to serve it on the side of some hummus and also some salad. So let's not waste any more time and better get cooking. I'm just going to thinly slice one onion. Actually, I'm gonna do 2 onions. One's not enough. Just gonna start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of, actually I'm trying avocado oil for a change. Let's see how it works. So nice and hot, and I'm just going to tear 3 to 4 curry leaves. If you don't have it, skip it. Next, just add the onions and cook on medium heat for 6 to 7 minutes. We just want a tiniest bit of color to it. So I have got here 2 boiled potatoes, and I'm just going to chop it into small pieces because we need to use boiled potatoes because we won't be able to cook them in such a short time in the eggs. So yes. It only takes a few minutes. Right, it's got a light color. I'm going to add the chopped up potatoes and once again cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Don't lower the heat. You want to get a little bit of color where possible. And then just going to finely chop up 1 red pepper. Small pieces. So the peppers are done. They go in with the onions and potatoes. As you can see, it's getting a little bit of color. Fantastic. And also, I have got here 400 gram tin of chickpeas, which I have drained and rinsed, and I've added it. Now just on high heat I will cook this for 2 minutes before I add the spices. Gonna add half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of chili powder, and just going to also add some ground cumin. Going to increase the ground cumin to 1 teaspoon. Good mix, and then I am going to turn the heat off, take it all into this pan and put the pan back on the hob. Right, so that is just going to get 6 large eggs in here, and then we'll just season it. So add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Just whisk it up. And I have got cheddar. I'm using around 50, but you could use anything between 50 and 60 grams. 50 and 100 grams. And also I've got 50 grams of mozzarella cubes. And now this egg mixture is ready. So just a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to just add this egg mix into the chickpea mix. Just fold it all in. Oh, smells unbelievable. Oh, that pepper and chickpea. Right, got the, just gonna try and spread the oil a little bit, and then in goes our egg mix. Just spread it, thin it out. Don't increase the heat, just cook it on low heat for 8 minutes. I'm going to timer it. So 8 minutes, you can see the sides are kind of cooked, which means the bottom is nicely done. I'm going to turn the heat off. I've got the grill on at medium heat. Just going to put this in for 8 minutes and then it'll be ready. And while that is baking, I'm going to prepare a quick hummus. So some chickpeas, I'm flavoring it with coriander, some green chili, and the key sesame seed paste, which is tahini, that goes in. The full recipe and the detailed hummus video can be found on the channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Also going to put some salt and lots of lemon juice, and also a garlic clove. And here is our coriander lemon hummus ready. Just gonna make a little bit of space. Very delicious olive oil. There you go. And then some chili flakes on top. Okay, there it is. And I'm just going to leave it alone for literally 5 minutes and come back to this. Ooh, look at that. Just going to also just take some cucumber, smash it up a little bit. Just cut it into pieces. I know somebody's going to say, oh, you could have taken a bigger chopping board, and I could have, but you know, I had that sitting on the table. So just some chopped up, smashed up cucumber, some nice lovely sea salt, a little bit of chili flakes, some lemon juice. Just going to toss it. And I had some chili powder. Just going to toss it and then now plate it up. What we've got to do is plate it up. Look at that. So there is the frittata with some hummus and some cucumber, and that I know is going to be, oh my god, beautiful. It is so healthy, so absolutely so healthy. I've added more protein with chickpeas, and that kind of gives it a little bit more body and a bite, and it goes so well with a nice salad. And in my case, I'm loving it with the hummus. So hope you guys are going to give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.